how we can actually enhance people's life. It's not only appearance, but psychologically it's very, very important. When they are healthy, we actually can do a part to make them even better. Actually, there are lots of options for body contouring treatments depending on which are the target areas we want to treat. Body as a whole, we see it as there's a skin, there's a fat, and there's a muscle. A lot of people talking about fat, only fat. But body actually consists of these three different components. Between these three, depending on which treatments you want to treat, then we will have different options for it. Very important before we go into that questions, we have to see what actually patients want and what actually patient needs. Sometimes what patients want is different than actually what patients actually needs. For example, they have a very huge body, a very big tummy, and they want a six-pack. That's impossible. As a doctor, we need to tell them, actually you need to address the fat first, reduce the fat, then only you can target the muscle. So far as I know, there's no one single machine can cater all those three different areas. There are different modalities and different machines that can cater different target areas. The planning is very, very important to me. First, you need to address the fat. Next, you can go to the skin to treat the sagginess of the skin, the laxity. After you remove the fat away, the volume is not there anymore. Then if you want to further improve for your muscle, then we can go for the treatments for the muscle, strengthen and to tone up the muscle. To address the skins, I would suggest to my patients that doing some things that using heat. I would recommend to my patients that we have in our clinic is using radio frequency or laser to actually promote the new collagen production in the skins, and that will address the problems of sagginess and laxities in the skins. For the fat, strongly suggest my patients to go for the cryolipolysis treatment. It's called CoolScuplting. It can freeze up the fat, it will become crystallized, and they are dead. Our natural body systems will go and get rid of them gradually from our body. Every single treatment of CoolScuplting, we can expect roughly to 24 to 25% of fat reduction at that specific targeted area. That's for fat. To treat the muscle, we are using TrueSculpt Flex. It's a special machine that using electrical impulse to stimulate the muscle. 45 minutes of treatments is equivalent to roughly 50,000 times you are doing sit-up. In a normal routines that you're going to the gym, it's impossible for you to do it.